So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 1/3 horsepower garbage disposal, and that's right out of Ferguson. It comes with the pigtail on it, so it's a brand new electrical cord as well. Down here what we did is they had some plumbing that was a little problematic because of the high-low sink, and they got creative and got it held together, but it had come apart at one point and caused some water damage down here. So all we've done is taken the 90 that comes with the unit and the bracket, we've turned it down on a 45, put an adapter, and then straightened it up with a Schedule 40 ABS 45, and then of course went over to the transition fitting right here that takes us over to the tubular pipe. So this is a telescoping disposal kit. The pipe can slide in and out of this sleeve right here. It's netted on both sides, netted on the top. Of course, over here, brand new tailpiece coming off the basket strainer. Basket strainer is existing, but this piece is new, and of course, this portion, the T of the telescoping kit, is new. Tailpiece extension right here, and then a P-trap all the way back to the wall. That white nut is existing. The mounting bracket is new as well. These are universal, so you don't have to replace those. Problem is, if they're not installed correctly in the first place, you just pop a new disposal on there, and then you get water down through an incorrectly mounted bracket up there, and it destroys the new disposal too. So that's all new putty, new bracket, new flange, and everything. So everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.